Hello everyone. Today we are doing this exercise in Microsoft Excel. So first we need to create this table, okay, in new workbook. So first I need to open a new workbook, and after that I need to type all of these datas, okay, in my new workbook. So what should I do? I need to copy it and you need to type with yourself all of these datas, okay, into your new workbook. So I'll paste it here because I already have it. So after that I need to get totals for each car, okay, in from 2006 to 2011, and same thing with for all cars, okay, in 2006, 2007, 2008 and so on. So first I need to select all the data for each car in 2006, okay. After that go to the auto sum, then you get it total for each car in 2006, okay. Now after that you can see a positive sign, so you can click with your mouse and drag till the last. You got it, all the data, okay, all the totals for each car in 2007. Now same thing with that side, from 2006 to 2011 for BMW car. So select, and after that go to the auto sum. You got it. Now after that, when you will see that positive sign, click with your mouse and drag till the last. So you got it, all of these totals, okay, for each car from 2006 to 2011. Now after that I need to create a 3D bar chart for this table, okay. So I have to select from here to here, okay. Now after that go to the insert, and you can see here in the charts there is an option insert column or bar charts. Click on it, then you can see here 2D column, 3D column. So I need to select 3D column, or here I'll need to select here this one, the fourth one. Click on it, you can get it, okay. So we need to do only these things. So we already did it. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, then I will reply it. Okay, goodbye.